Today is April 3rd, 2011. Here we are at the Najoom site in Sharjah, UAE, and we have installed the solar panel and the wind turbine, and it's a combination of wind and solar that we are now working on to have both these units to be working together to give electricity. This is beautiful wind here in Sharjah, and our guys are working. So with the background we have now both the solar and the wind turbine installed here. This wind turbine is installed to check out the wind speed here. There has been a myth that there is no wind in UAE, and this wind turbine, with the speed that it is rotating, and with it has been on since morning. We installed the wind turbine yesterday, and with this speed we feel that if we put up wind turbines in UAE, we can have enough electricity generated that these wind turbines can give us all of the energy that we need. So with a combination of the solar panels and wind, and we are also growing jatropha here in that area over there. So we have three energy sources: solar, this solar panels that we have installed. With these solar panels and the wind turbines, the Najoom Islands in UAE, this is the 90 million square feet project, and in this we will be able to provide electricity. This will be a carbon-free city. We are working with the Hanu Group to make this all into area which will have right next to the sea the total alternative energy that this place will require. This will be a truly monumental project with the solar and the electricity that is being involved. We have the solar panels involved. Now we will install these solar panels in complete. We can install up to 100 megawatt solar here. There is enough land that we can install. This is the road going from Ras Al Khaimah to Sharjah, and these, like I said earlier in one of my videos, that all of those buildings there are running on diesel generator. We can supply electricity from these solar energy, and this is the battery room in the back, and these battery rooms will be able to, I will show you the batteries. So during the day the energy would be created from solar, and from the solar it would be in these battery rooms that we have batteries which are 2000 ampere hours, 2-volt batteries. So even if there is 72 hours no sun, there is cloud cover, or there is rain or dust or sandstorm, these batteries will be able to keep the load, keep the charge in them. And there are 48 batteries. These batteries have been specially made by Durant for us. These are heavy duty, maintenance free gel batteries, and they are all VRLAC batteries. So this is a complete set of 48 batteries, and this is the charge controller, which if you will see my earlier videos, you will be able to see that this charge controller, from the solar and the wind turbines, we will have the electricity generated. From this we will charge the batteries. So we will have wind turbines and solar panels. This is the back side of the solar panels, and they are put up over, and these foundations that are there, they can withstand a wind speed of 160 kilometers per hour. So we are now going to connect all these cables, connect them through these to the charge controller. From the charge controller it will be to the batteries, and from the batteries we will supply electricity to the villas that are going to be built here. We are very happy to be working with the Najoom Island project and with the Hanu group, and Noor Power is bringing alternative energy to this area, and our engineers have done this erection in a week's time, and once we get rolling, then we can install on a daily basis a number of these panels. So hopefully we will be able to have all of the panels and the cabling and everything done by this weekend, and the electricity that will be provided now will be by alternative energy. This will save carbon emission. This will be there will be no diesel to run a 1 megawatt diesel generating gensets. It costs $2 million. Just imagine how much money and how much wastage there is by using diesel generators. So we hope our efforts are with a good result, and once we have all of this running, we can install on any project anywhere in the world, and especially we were focusing on the GCC countries. So Noor Power is here doing this work. So if you have any questions, you can call me, and my number is 050-992-9673. Thank you.